Hi, this is Shiva Rajaya from vitalcoaching.com. We are talking about tantric coupling, and the third branch within the tantric coupling, which we cover within our events, is the idea of coupling codes. Relationships are designed with a very specific set of values that you can anchor within your relationships. So this conscious communication, communicating with your partner in ways that are extremely intentional. It means that you see those pillars a little bit like these pillars that you see behind me over here. This is what happens within the relationship. For instance, one of the pillars might represent transparency, another pillar might represent commitment, another pillar might represent love, another one might represent sex and intimacy. And so when all these pillars are anchored in the core of your relationship, you get a stabilization of your coupling experience. Creating emotional safety, for instance, being authentic and true, creating spaciousness. And so instead of just being like, okay, this is your relationship, just jump in it and see if it works or not, and then you face challenges. No, it's like you consciously design the space of your relationship a little bit like an architect who would add the very specific ingredients. Or, if you have a cooking recipe and you want to design this very delicious meal, then what you're going to do, you are going to look at the recipe and then add the very specific ingredients that are going to enhance the taste and make the experience really beautiful. So this is what happens within the context of your relationship. It's something that you can create intentionally through identifying those codes and then finding ways of anchoring that through very specific intentional communication again. So when you are engaging into conscious communication or awakened communication with your partner, you are not just sharing what's alive in chaotic ways whenever it happens. No, it's like you start actually structuring and organizing and being a bit clearer in what you want to manifest together. And so these are the two things that we can cover within that. It's the coupling codes and the intentional or awakened communication. So this is the third aspect of tantric relating.